Okay, so this go around, we are dividing x to the 5th plus 32 by x plus 2. All right, so our x plus 2 is really x minus negative 2. So that's an important thing to remember. And we also have missing terms. So watch out for those, right? All right, so we're going to write our synthetic division. We've got minus 2. That's going to go in my little square there. And our coefficients, we've got x to the 5th. We have no x to the 4th, no x to the 3rd, no x squared, no x, and a 32. There we go. Lots of zeros, right? So we're going to bring down that 1. Negative 2 times 1, negative 2. Add. Negative 2 times negative 2, we're going to get 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. Negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. Add those. Negative 2 times 8 is 16. Add those. Negative 2 times 16 is negative 32, which is 0, which tells us that x plus 2, so our remainder is equal to 0. So x plus 2 is a factor. Yay! Right? So we've got this answer here to our division problem. So again, this is constant. X squared, x to the 3rd, x to the 4th. It will always be 1 degree less than what you started with. Oh, and of course I forgot to write all of my coefficients. 2x cubed plus 4x squared minus 8x plus 16. There we go. Easy, done. Way less writing than long division. All right, so we've got some more examples here. We are going to use synthetic division to find our function values for this polynomial, f of negative 10 and f of 2. Okay, so this really means that we want to divide using the remainder theorem, that we are dividing by x minus 2, and we are dividing by x minus negative 10. Okay, are there any missing terms? Yes. X to the 3rd term is missing, so we've got to remember to account for that, right? So we're going to do our f of 2 first. So we've got 2 in our box, and then our coefficients, 2, 0, 1, negative 10, and 1. And we're going to repeat the process, right? Pull down the 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Add, we've got 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Add, we've got 9. 2 times 9 is 18. Add, we've got 8 again. 2 times 8 is 16. Add, we've got 17. So there is our remainder. So that tells us f of 2 is 17, which might be a little bit easier, especially if you were stuck on a desert island without a calculator or your laptop. A little bit easier than plugging and chugging in 2 into our polynomial. All right, what about negative 10? So we're going to do the same thing, negative 10, 2, 0, 1, negative 10, 1. We're going to bring down the 2, right? Negative 10 times 2 is negative 20. Add, negative 10 times negative 20 is 200, 201. Negative 10 times 201 is negative 2010. Add. Negative 10 times negative 2020 is going to be positive 20200, so 20,200, and we're going to add 20,201. So definitely that was a lot easier than trying to hand calculate that polynomial plugging in negative 10, at least in my opinion. So there we go. And that is the end of this section.